We're going to use Sparrow Wallet to create a new software wallet. Let's go. When you open up Sparrow, you'll see these menu items at the top. We're going to click on File, New Wallet. Here you'll enter a name for the wallet. We're going to name it whatever you'd like. It has no bearing on the generation of the wallet seed or information. All right, with the name selected, you get to choose how you are going to create it. We are going to create a single signature wallet, and we're going to use the native SegWit wallet type. In the future, it may make more sense to use Taproot, but as of now, native SegWit is the most common and most tested use. All right, the script policy you leave alone. Down here, we are going to select the key store, and we are going to click on New or Imported Software Wallet is what that says. All right, now here we have the option to import a software wallet from a previous Electrum. If you have like a private key, which is just like the raw hex data, you can enter that here. We are going to create a brand new one. So we're going to use 24 words and generate new. Here you'll see these are the words. You will have to write these down and it will test you for it here shortly. If you would like to have a passphrase that you make up, enter that here and do not forget it. That will completely generate a different wallet seed. As you can see, it's going to force you to re-enter these words in the next step, so make sure you have them written down. All right. We'll click on re-enter words, and here you'll be forced to confirm your saved words. I will do that here quickly. You may notice as I'm typing that once I get to the 4 letters, there's only one word option. All you really need to record is the first 4 letters of each word. And with that data, you can derive the rest of the word. Some of them only require 3 letters, but 4s should cover every single word. These words are standardized, and many wallets use this standard now. It is called BIP39. And the BIP39 is the standard of using these seed words for easy backup, storage, and memory if you want to do it that way. I don't recommend purely doing memory. No harm in committing it to memory if you can, but definitely have a backup, physical backup. All right. All right, now it says it's ready to import. It says M8400. So that is the wallet derivation path. 84 for BIP84, which is the wallet type that we selected, which is single signature native SegWit. So that is this derivation path. It's the first wallet and the first seed. And here you're able to see the fingerprint. So if you import a Watcher wallet to another like Blue Wallet on your phone, you can verify that it's the same wallet. If you want to generate receiving addresses, this is your xpub/zpub. Some people call them different things. You can import that to other Watcher wallets to generate receiving addresses without compromising the security of your private key. It does compromise your privacy. If someone gets a hold of this string here, they can generate and see any receiving address that you have, and therefore see how much Bitcoin you have in this wallet. We'll click on apply here, and with that, we'll be done. You can add this password here. This password is purely to encrypt the database of the wallet on this computer. It has no effect on the passphrase we saw earlier, which was on the seed generation page. This one is simply so if someone gets a hold of your computer, they can't open this wallet without knowing this password. So we're just going to leave it blank. It's no big deal. I recommend adding a password to it. All right, we have our wallet now. Here you can go into transactions. You can obviously see I have none. You can go on receive, it generates an address, go through all your addresses, and that's all there is to it. Thanks.